Importing electronics from Brazil. Welcome to our channel, where we provide expert guidance on customs brokerage and import processes. In this video, we will discuss the customs regulations for importing electronics from Brazil. If you're considering importing electronics from Brazil, stay tuned as we guide you through the necessary regulations and procedures. Let's get started. Research and identify electronics products. Start by researching and identifying the specific electronics products you want to import from Brazil. Electronics can include a wide range of items, such as computers, smartphones, televisions, and more. Determine the specific products that align with your target market and comply with relevant regulations. Understand customs regulations. Familiarize yourself with the customs regulations governing the importation of electronics from Brazil. These regulations dictate the requirements for documentation, valuation, labeling, and compliance with safety standards. Visit the website of the customs authorities in your country or consult with a customs broker to stay updated on the latest regulations. Determine product classification. Proper classification of your imported electronics is crucial for customs clearance. Each electronic product has a specific harmonized system, HS, code, which determines the correct duty rate and any applicable regulations. Consult the customs tariff schedule of your country or work with a customs broker to determine the correct HS code for your electronics. Compliance with safety and quality standards. Ensure that the electronics you import from Brazil comply with safety and quality standards set by the regulatory authorities in your country. Electronics must meet specific requirements related to electrical safety, electromagnetic compatibility, and product quality. Conduct product testing, obtain necessary certifications, and maintain compliance records. Packaging and labeling requirements. Electronics imported from Brazil must comply with packaging and labeling requirements set by the customs authorities in your country. Packaging should be secure to prevent damage during transit, and labels should include information such as the country of origin, manufacturer's name, model number, and safety certifications. Ensure your electronics are properly packaged and labeled before importation. Valuation and payment of import duties. Accurate valuation of your imported electronics is essential for customs clearance. The customs authorities determine import duties and taxes based on the declared value of the goods. Work with your supplier and a customs broker to ensure that the declared value is fair and accurate, and allocate funds to cover the import duties and fees. Importer security filing, ISF. Check whether your country requires an importer security filing, ISF, for importing electronics from Brazil. ISF involves providing certain shipment information to the customs authorities in advance of the goods' arrival. If required, ensure that you submit the ISF form accurately and within the required timeframe to comply with this requirement. Import licenses and permits. Certain electronic products may require import licenses or permits, depending on the regulations of your country. Research the specific licensing requirements for your chosen electronics and obtain any necessary permits before importing from Brazil. Contact the regulatory authorities in your country for guidance on the requirements. Environmental regulations and waste management. Some electronic products may be subject to environmental regulations related to waste management, such as recycling or proper disposal of electronic waste. Ensure compliance with these regulations by partnering with recycling or waste management organizations in your country. Maintain documentation of your compliance efforts. Intellectual property rights, IPR, protection. Protecting intellectual property is crucial when importing electronics from Brazil. Ensure that the products you import do not infringe on any patents, trademarks, or copyrights. Conduct thorough research and work with a customs broker to validate the authenticity and legality of the products, avoiding any legal issues. Customs clearance process. Once your electronics arrive in your country, they must go through the customs clearance process. Submit all required documents to the customs authorities, including commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, import licenses, and any other relevant paperwork. Work closely with a customs broker to ensure a smooth clearance process. Importing electronics from Brazil is an ongoing process. Stay updated on any changes to customs regulations, safety standards, labeling requirements, or intellectual property rights to ensure continued compliance. Maintain a strong relationship with your customs broker and suppliers to navigate any future challenges. Importing electronics from Brazil requires careful consideration of customs regulations, accurate classification, compliance with safety and quality standards, proper valuation, and adherence to documentation procedures. By following the customs regulations and procedures discussed in this video and working with a knowledgeable customs broker, you can successfully import electronics from Brazil. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on customs brokerage and import processes. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.